wasn't snowing yesterday. There was no snow, but welcome to Ski Town. And it's coming down too. 2 days ago it was like 50 degrees. Anyway, I guess I'm pretty slow. Yeah, I'm slow. So yesterday I did the hood, the bumper. Well, I wouldn't call it the bumper. Well, I guess it's the bumper. And one fender. I still gotta do the door, side box, this front fender, door, side box. Probably take me, I don't know. I was told by a professional, and I know the gentleman's a professional because he wouldn't lie to me because I know he wouldn't. But anyway, he told me that to buff this truck out, it would take average person or him 10 to 12 hours. Well, I haven't kept track of hours, but I bet you I probably got, I don't know, maybe 8. And it's a third maybe of it done. So yeah, so I guess I'm behind. I guess that's okay. What are you gonna do? I think that's all I got to say. There ain't got much more going on here, except I don't really feel like buffing. Yeah, I don't really feel like it, but you have to do it. Otherwise, it'll never get done. Just push the fuck through. Yeah. That all you got to say, Shu? Yeah. That's all I got to say. Man, it's just coming down. But what are you gonna do? It's already late in the day. It's funny, if I don't get started right away and hee-haw around and do other little things that I build or whatever, it seems like if I wait too long in the day, then I don't get around to what I'm supposed to be doing in my eyes. And then I gotta push myself to do it. I won't stop myself out of it and say, well, I'll do it tomorrow. I never used to be like that. The older I get, I procrastinate, I think. Okay, I'm gonna quit procrastinating. I'm just gonna go on and take care of my business. Peace, people. Enjoy your evening. Great customer service. Even though I have a backup compressor, this one started making a little noise. Not real bad, but yeah, it's what am I doing? I don't know. Cleaning it, re-grease it, because it started making a, I don't know, a slight squeal noise. And you can see down in here that, I don't know, years of dirt is in there. I don't think that's too good. Yeah, like all this. So I guess buffing today is out of the question. Aww. Even though, like I said, I have a backup compressor, so if this was, I had to do it today, I'd just let this go. But I like to fix things as soon as they break down, or before they break down too far. I think it might need some kind of grease. Just at the other end. Looks pretty, I'm not a machinist or anything, but it doesn't look too bad. I thought the yellow was saying it was burnt. It's not brand new. I couldn't find a serial number on it, but if you look at the color of it, which, and I'm just assuming, made in Wisconsin, just assuming, because I have owned 3 Kellogg compressors in my life. Just happened, used to be Kellogg America way back in the day. Then they sold out. I can't remember all the information. Kellogg America right here. That's where they were made. That's a Kellogg, and this is a Kellogg too. This is actually a replacement pump. Thought there was a date on this one at one time. I don't know, but this is this pump right here. Make a long story short, I never changed the oil on it because I was a stupid ass and didn't know. Should have known. But anyway, you can tell by the Kellogg's. That's aftermarket. I mean, a newer Kellogg, but you can just kind of tell the color of the Kellogg went with. So I would assume if this cast date was 6/63, I would assume, because when I worked in a factory, when we molded windows, that's how we do it, with a screw and a date plate. So I would assume, so that was made in 1963, and then the bottom was made in 4/1/63, and it's the same color. So I would assume, oh, let me see, this is Acrobat stuff. Oh, can't tell. But I would assume that, because I bought that used, bought both of them used, matter of fact, that motor is a 1963 motor, and she's just started making a noise like she was dry, you know. And it's only a, what? Where are we at? It's only a, let me see if I can zoom in. The horsepower is only 1.5 horse. But the size of the motor, you go look at compressors, 'cause I look at a little bit of everything. You go look at compressors and they'll have like a 7-horse motor, and the motor will be about the size of it'll be about half the size. Anyway, am I a maintenance guy? No, but you can just tell right there by that the grease is old, and I never really seen that color of grease, so maybe that's what they used to make grease that color. Hopefully when I clean her all up, I should be ready to rock for another lifetime of mine. Yeah. Well, she's back together. Hopefully she'll be better. This is how much dirt that I pulled out of the motor. You can tell it's old by, it's just got that, I don't know. And I put grease in it, and now I'm gonna hook it up and see if she's fabulous. Say good night, Irene. Good night.